Hello, I'm Osman Tounjel. I'm the Executive Director of Asia Pacific for Cuscen. Cuscen is an ERP product specifically designed with the customer in mind. It has been designed from scratch to suit the requirements of ERP with customer in mind first. The only and best way to choose software to replace your existing systems is to understand what your current software cannot do and what weaknesses and problems it is causing you in your daily operations. We at Cuscen are experienced in helping you determine and define those areas which need improvement or need to be replaced with better systems. Cuscen ERP is an industry-wide product that covers many different industries, including general manufacturing, construction, real estate, hospitality, and various other public sector, not-for-profit industries. The product is very deep in functionality and has been specifically designed to suit each of these industry spaces. That we wrote the product after having a lot of knowledge about other competitive products and the market. So we built in capabilities that will benefit your organization over and beyond a standard ERP. Cuscen covers a lot of different environments and industries: manufacturing, distribution, wholesale management, construction, retail, non-government organisations, NGOs, not-for-profit, banks, public finance, and we also do very extensive work in the retail sector. Cuscen already operates in 8 different countries in Southeast Asia, including Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore. We have recently expanded into the United States, Australia and New Zealand, and are poised for dramatic growth during the next 2 to 3 years. With 8 years tried and proven experience in Southeast Asia, we have now launched in the United States, Australia and New Zealand, and are poised for good success in these markets during the next 2 years. I am very excited about the future of Cuscen ERP because we have spent many years developing and enhancing the functionality to suit the marketplace beyond what the existing ERP packages worldwide have been doing for customers. I urge you to have a look at Cuscen ERP when you are searching for your new ERP implementation.